You want to know how to wire 3-pin alternator? You want to replace broken alternator socket but you don't know how to recognize wires from alternator socket? This video will help you and teach how to replace alternator socket. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is our alternator. The first thing to do is to find the indicator light of our alternator. You need a test light to do this procedure. Connect the clip to the 12-volt positive supply. Check one by one to see where's indicator light located. Second thing to do is to find the ignition of the alternator. You need a wire to do this procedure. Put it to the 12-volt power supply and connect to the remaining pins. When the magnetic field occurs, this is the ignition of your alternator socket. Mark it to identify.
No.
The last and remaining pin is our 12-volt battery supply. When you turn on ignition key with engine off, the battery sign occurs. Try to start the engine. When engine is running, the battery sign need to disappear. It means our alternator charging properly. Our alternator normal charging is at range of 13.5 to 14 volts. When the reading is below 11 volts or below the battery sign appear, it's indicate that your alternator not charging. When this happen, go the nearest shop as soon as possible. Follow this guide step by step. I hope this tutorial helps you to have a knowledge about alternators. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. God bless you all.